Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to fix Outlook not responding, freezing or hanging issues in 2026. Now these kind of problems usually happens because of the add-ins, large data files and the sync errors. So let's walk through it step by step how you can easily fix it. First of all, you need to close your Outlook application completely. Afterwards, you can either press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key in order to open Task Manager. You can also click on the task bar here in the bottom right hand corner. Then you can select the option of Task Manager. So once you are inside the Task Manager panel, you just have to select Microsoft Outlook. Once you are able to find it, simply right click on it and select the option of End Task. So this force closes any kind of frozen background processes. So you just have to simply do this step. Now after doing it, simply restart your Outlook. If it freezes again, you can open it in the safe mode and press Ctrl plus R, and you can just simply press Windows plus R on your keyboard, and then you just have to type this particular command, which is Outlook \save, and then hit OK. So if Outlook works fine in the safe mode, the issue is caused by a bad add-in. So to fix that, you just have to go to the files here inside your Outlook app. When you are in the Files tab, simply click on the option of Options. Here, click on the option of Add-ins. At the bottom, select the option of COM Add-ins and click on the option of Go. Uncheck all of the add-ins and restart your Outlook normally. You can turn them on one by one to find the broken one. So with the help of these few methods, you will be able to fix the Outlook not responding or hanging or freezing issue. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.